James Carpenter with Country Living. Welcome to my channel and thank you for watching my videos. Okay, we're coming up on the 1820s barn restoration. I've been doing some work on the inside, but I thought I'd show you a little bit of the outside. Refresh your memory if you haven't seen it. This is all new to you. This is what it looks like. We basically took the old building, raised it up, put a new foundation under it, set it down, and poured a slab. I've been working on the interior walls, as you can see. I don't know how well the camera will adjust in here. All right, this is the steps. It's pretty dark in here, but I believe you can see that even though it's dark. So I've put some pegboard up. Let me kind of scan that for you. So we got the pegboard, and then I built this little shelf, and I'll show you the brackets for that. This one I had to cut off for this 45. And there's the other one. Now these brackets, those brackets I got from Habitat from the swing sets. They're coming in handy already. So if you wonder what I've been doing for the last few days, I've been down here hanging this wood, and basically what you see is pretty much it. So just so you'll have an idea of how this works, I take these and I staple those to the 4x4, and then you see that little recessed area there. That allows the slab lumber to set in between the two 4x4s. And then when it's all said and done, you can see the 4x4s. So you can see here where these are flush with the 4x4. All right, those strips are in there keeping all this. Now, I had a friend of mine, he stopped over to look at the building the other day, and he thought that I had purchased this lumber looking like these multicolored brown camouflage walls. Well, in all actuality, it is slab lumber that I picked up from the Amish, and two skids of it had set out in the weather too long and it got wet, and when it did, it discolored the wood the way you see it here. Now this shelf here, it's made out of deck boards, so at least the platform is. It's probably like a 1x6, and I put those shelves in there, and then down here you can see where I put that 2x4 in there to hold up the bottom shelf. But you notice how I I left that recess. So the wood, let me get a piece of wood and show you a sample. So it would rest in there like that. Okay, so I think you get the idea how this is taking place. It's just a matter of getting all the wood processed. It's just taking some time. Now, this little mess here, there's some more of that pegboard I got from Habitat. Plus I got all this shelving material. Part of that shelving material is that stack of white boards right there. That's the actual shelves. And over here, I have the uprights. Okay, so now here, these also came from Habitat. I got 5 of these roll around bases. So they've already got casters on them. They'll roll around. So if you could envision, I make a countertop height box that sits on this, and my intentions are to take all my power tools and put the power tool on top of the cart, and then the carts, you can roll it around, and secondly, I can pick it up with the forks and I can move it outside so I can keep the dust contained a little bit better. Now, that area right there above the window, and as the roof goes up, I'm gonna I'll figure something out for there, but I'll get that looking good too. All right, with all that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna put my gloves on and I'm gonna get to work. Thank you.